Alright, today, whenever I tried to drive the van, I got a check engine light come on. So I read the code, and it's a code 35, and I researched it, and it is my my idle air control valve. The part number is 21738. So, alright, this is my idle air control valve. You just screw it into the throttle body, and there's a plug-in right here. So you have to take the doghouse or get to your throttle body. So let me go ahead and take off the doghouse, and so I can get to the engine. Okay, here we go. All right, I got to take this off to get to the control valve. All right, here it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off the connection right here. Make sure it has 4 prongs. Yes, it has 4 prongs, so that's a good thing. That's a good sign that this is the right one, because this one has 4 prongs, so that's good. All right, time to take this off. Get you one of these, and go ahead and take this off. Or is that tightening it? Yep, that was tightening it. Go ahead and untwist it. Kind of hard to do this with one hand. Hold on. So this is the old one. I don't see anything wrong with it, but it might be bad. The springs look like they're good, but I'm gonna replace it. All right, I'm gonna put the new one in. Make sure that gasket's on there. Screw it in, hand screw it in first, and then tighten it up. Hand tighten it. I don't know how tight you need this to be, but I'm gonna tighten until it's not gonna go anymore. Yeah, I think that's good. Now plug up your, where is it at? Oh, here it is. If I can get to it. Okay, here we go. All right, go ahead and plug this up right here. Go ahead and plug it up. That's in. All right, now time to put this back on, put it back together, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm gonna start up the car. All right, the check engine light is off, so that's a good sign. Wow, that sounds way better than before. All right, my goodness, one little piece can cause your engine to act really funny and not run right. I tried to start it up, and as soon as I started up, I was trying to let it to get to operate pretty much up to temperature to see if it was going to overheat. And before I even got to that point, my check engine light came on. So I ran the code, and it was code 35, and it was this thing right here. It's called a idle air control valve. So I don't know what's wrong with it. Maybe it's stuck open or stuck closed or whatever it is, but